Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to share your HTTP Custom VPN connection with other devices such as your PC without having to use any third-party application or having to root your device. So let's get started. So to get started, simply head over to HTTP Custom and then tap on the three-dotted menu on the top right corner and then tap on ShareNet and then check the proxy socket saver option. After that, so this is assuming you've already set up your HTTP custom configuration using whichever method. So simply tap on connect. After connecting, simply enable the hotspot connection on your device as you normally do. So after enabling the hotspot connection on your device, head back to HTTP custom and tap on log. So after that, you see an IP address and the port number, which you need to set up on whichever device you want to connect to the VPN connection. So for this example, I'll be connecting to a Windows 11 PC. And to do that, simply head over to settings, click on network and internet, and then select proxy. And then under manual proxy setup, simply click on setup. And then enable the button right below, use a proxy server. So under proxy IP address and port number is where you set the address and port number which were provided by HTTP custom. So for me, it's simply 192.168.48.3 and then the port number is 7071. And then click on save. After that, simply connect to the hotspot connection as you normally do. And this will ensure that you're able to access the VPN connection, which is connected on your Android device. So to test whether the connection is working, and that's basically how you share your HTTP custom VPN connection with other devices without having to use any third-party application or rooting your device. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.